Welcome to a Hensley Homes bathroom in a tiny house. As you walk in, the first thing you notice, beautiful custom tile work. Precise cuts, everything finished to every corner, every cut exactly precise. You have a custom cabinet. Yeah, we're waiting on a few things. We have a piece of granite that will go on this. We also have a few electrical things left to finish, but we wanted to let you guys see the progress that we've made. The walls are covered in tin. We have one note. The ceiling is cedar. Smells great in there. And you can see all the precise cuts all along the top. We still have the fixtures to install. This room has turned out magnificent. So if you're ready for a Hensley Homes tiny house, follow the link at the top. I know this guy that can build one for you. Make sure you subscribe and like. We'll see you on the next video.